our beautiful blue planet, a jewel in the vast cosmos. It is now facing its greatest trial. The signs are all around us. The Earth groans under our weight. The climate is changing rapidly. This is not a drill, this is an emergency. The ice caps, ancient and vast, they are melting at alarming rates. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastlines. Extreme weather events plague us. Fiercer storms, deeper droughts. Wildfires rage with untamed fury. These are not isolated incidents. They are symptoms of a deeper malaise, a planet pushed to its limits. The time for solutions is now. Amidst this planetary crisis, hope emerges. It comes from an unexpected quarter. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Many think of AI for other things, games perhaps, or complex data. But AI is also becoming a green warrior, a silent partner in conservation. Its potential is truly immense. We are only just scratching the surface. A new revolution is dawning. Few realize the impact AI already has. It is working behind the scenes, making our energy system smarter, helping to protect endangered species, optimizing how we grow our food. AI algorithms learn and adapt. They find patterns humans might miss. This technology offers a new path. Our world runs on energy, but our current energy systems are strained. Many rely heavily on fossil fuels. These fuels are warming our planet. We need a massive shift towards cleaner, renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, and hydropower. AI is crucial for this transition. It can make our energy use smarter and much more efficient. Imagine a truly intelligent power grid. AI can manage this smart grid. It can predict energy demand with precision, hour by hour, day by day. It can also forecast energy supply, especially from variable sources like sun and wind. This balancing act is complex. AI excels at such optimization. Our forests are the lungs of our planet. They breathe in carbon dioxide. They exhale the oxygen we need to live. They are home to countless species, a treasure trove of biodiversity, yet our forests are disappearing at a frightening, unsustainable pace. Due to deforestation and wildfires, AI offers new eyes in the sky and new ears on the ground. AI-powered drones and satellites watch over vast forests. They can detect illegal logging activities, often in real time, alerting authorities. They can spot the first signs of a wildfire, even in remote, inaccessible areas. Early detection is absolutely critical. It allows for rapid response, saving millions of trees and animal lives. Section 5, Smarter Fields, Sustainable Yields, AI in Agriculture. Feeding a growing global population is, well, a huge task. The demand for food is increasing exponentially, and traditional farming methods are struggling to keep up. By the year 2050, we may have nearly 10 billion mouths to feed. This means we need to produce more food than ever before, and we need to do it sustainably. Traditional farming methods are under strain. They rely heavily on manual labor and are often inefficient. They can be, quite resource intensive, using large amounts of water and chemicals. This not only increases costs, but also has a significant environmental impact. This can harm the environment. Runoff from fertilizers and pesticides can pollute water sources, and deforestation for agriculture can lead to loss of biodiversity. But AI is revolutionizing agriculture, making it more precise, more productive, and critically more sustainable. AI technology can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize farming practices. This, folks, is the future of farming. Imagine greenhouses with automated systems that control temperature, humidity, and light to create the perfect growing conditions. AI enables what we call precision agriculture. This means using technology to monitor and manage crops with incredible accuracy. Sensors in the fields collect data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and plant health. This data is then analyzed to provide insights into the best farming practices. AI analyzes this data in real time. This allows farmers to make informed decisions quickly, improving efficiency and crop yields. Farmers receive specific recommendations, like exactly where to water and how much, or which specific areas need fertilizer. This level of precision reduces waste and maximizes productivity. This targeted approach means less waste, less water usage, a precious resource, and reduced runoff of harmful chemicals. It's a win-win for both farmers and the environment. AI-powered robots can assist in farming tasks. These robots can plant seeds, harvest crops, and even monitor plant health, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing efficiency. Collaboration between farmers and AI experts is key to unlocking the full potential of this technology. By working together, they can develop innovative solutions to the challenges facing modern agriculture. The goal is to create a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system, one that can feed the growing population while preserving the planet for future generations. With AI, the future of farming looks bright. Smarter fields and sustainable yields are within our reach thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Section 6. Forecasting the future AI in climate modeling and prediction. Understanding our changing climate is vital. The impacts of climate change are becoming more evident every day, from melting glaciers to rising sea levels and deforestation. These changes affect ecosystems, weather patterns, and human societies. We need to know what the future holds. How will temperatures rise? Predicting these changes accurately is crucial for preparing and adapting to future conditions. Where will droughts become more severe? Identifying regions at risk can help in planning water resources and agricultural strategies. When might extreme storms hit? Forecasting the timing and intensity of these events can save lives and reduce economic losses. Climate models are our crystal balls. They provide insights into future climate scenarios, helping us understand potential outcomes. But the climate system is incredibly complex. It involves numerous variables and interactions that are difficult to predict with traditional methods alone. AI is helping to make these models better. By processing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and trends that might be missed by human analysts. More accurate, more detailed, and faster, AI enhances the precision of climate models, providing more reliable forecasts. This gives us a clearer view of tomorrow. With better predictions, we can make informed decisions to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Traditional climate models require immense computing power. They simulate the interactions of atmosphere, oceans, and land, which is computationally intensive. These simulations are essential for understanding the full scope of climate dynamics. AI can accelerate these simulations. By optimizing computational processes, AI reduces the time needed to generate climate projections. It can learn patterns from vast data sets. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical data and model outputs to improve future predictions, both from past observations and model outputs. This continuous learning process enhances the accuracy of climate models over time. This allows for quicker refinement of predictions. As new data becomes available, AI can rapidly update models to reflect the latest information. AI can also help fill gaps in data. By interpolating missing information, AI ensures that models are as complete and accurate as possible, improving the resolution of climate projections. High-resolution models provide more detailed insights into local climate impacts, giving us more localized information. This helps communities prepare for specific climate-related challenges they may face. Section 7. The road to zero emissions AI in smart transportation. Transportation is a major source of greenhouse gases. Cars, trucks, ships, and airplanes. They all contribute to climate change. Our reliance on fossil fuels for movement is a habit we urgently need to break. The goal is zero emissions, a world where transport is clean and green. AI is paving the way for this transformation, making our journeys smarter and more efficient, and helping to decarbonize the entire sector. AI can optimize traffic flow in our cities. Smart traffic lights adjust timings based on real-time conditions, reducing congestion and unnecessary idling. Navigation apps use AI to find the fastest routes, also the most fuel-efficient routes. This saves time, money, and emissions. For public transport, AI can optimize schedules and routes, ensuring services match demand. Section 8. Answering the AI Green Conundrum. Your questions answered. A common question naturally arises. Is AI itself not a huge energy consumer? Indeed, training large AI models does require significant computational power. The process involves running numerous calculations and processing vast amounts of data, which in turn demands a lot of electricity. This is especially true for deep learning models that need to be trained on high-performance GPUs over extended periods. This energy consumption is a valid concern. We absolutely cannot ignore this fact. The carbon footprint of AI is something that needs to be addressed, especially as we move towards a more digital and automated future. The environmental impact of these technologies is a topic of growing importance among researchers and policymakers alike. However, the focus is swiftly shifting towards developing green AI principles. These principles aim to make AI more sustainable by reducing its energy consumption and carbon footprint. Researchers are exploring various methods, such as optimizing algorithms to be more energy efficient and using renewable energy sources to power data centers, and more energy efficient algorithms. The net environmental benefit must be positive. This means that the advantages of using AI, such as improved efficiency and reduced waste, should outweigh the environmental costs associated with its energy consumption. Innovations in this area are crucial for ensuring that AI can be a force for good in the fight against climate change. This is the crucial challenge we are embracing now. Scientists, engineers, and policymakers are coming together to find solutions that balance the benefits of AI with its environmental impact. Collaborative efforts are essential for developing technologies that are both powerful and sustainable. Another frequent query people have: will AI take away jobs in the green sector? This is a valid concern, as automation has historically led to job displacement in various industries. However, the situation with AI is more nuanced. It is more accurate to say AI will change jobs. Some tasks might become automated, it is true, but this automation can also lead to the creation of new types of jobs that didn't exist before. For example, roles that involve overseeing and maintaining AI systems, or jobs that require a deep understanding of how to integrate AI into existing workflows. But new roles will certainly emerge. Roles requiring human oversight of AI systems. These new positions will often require specialized skills and knowledge, which means that education and training will be key components in preparing the workforce for these changes. Data scientists specializing in environmental AI. Technicians to maintain green AI infrastructure. These roles are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential job opportunities that AI can create in the green sector. The key will be upskilling and reskilling. Human ingenuity remains absolutely vital. As the landscape of work changes, so too must our approach to education and professional development. Lifelong learning will become increasingly important as we adapt to new technologies and the opportunities they bring. AI is a tool to be guided by human hands. It is not a replacement for human creativity and problem-solving, but rather a complement to it. By working together, humans and AI can achieve remarkable things, driving progress in ways that are both innovative and sustainable. Section 9, Beyond the Algorithm, Humanity's Collective Hand in Healing. Artificial intelligence offers a powerful beacon, a ray of genuine hope in a troubled world. It provides us with tools of immense potential to understand our planet better, to manage our resources more wisely, to forge a path towards sustainability. The innovations we see are truly remarkable, from smart grids to precision farming. AI is already making a positive difference. This technological prowess is inspiring. It shows what human ingenuity can achieve. However, we must not fall into complacency, believing that technology alone will save us. AI is a sophisticated instrument, yes, but an instrument needs a skilled hand to guide it. It needs a clear purpose, a moral compass. That purpose must come from us.